Apache Stainless makes food processing equipment, which will make anything from a Oreo cookie to a hamburger to dog food. And the large tank line will make very large stainless steel vessels. It can support anything from the pharmaceutical industry, the oil industry, anything that needs a pressurized tank or a vacuum tank. And then we have small vessel group, makes smaller tanks, really in the pharmaceutical industry.
If you look at our customer base, a lot of our customers, they want a fit and function with a particular piece of equipment, but they'll always want to modify it to their applications. A lot of companies don't do that. We do.
Sales finds and develops relationships with customers that need our stainless steel engineer-to-order solutions. We help the customers work through their specifications and come up with designs that'll meet their project requirements.
All of our engineers we call project engineers, so what they do is they take the original project, the scope, design the equipment, and then manage it throughout the shop, work with our welders, our fabricators, any questions they may have, anything that they need throughout the process.
So the Manufacturing Business Alliance was created in the mid-2000s. What we were finding is that we were swapping people. We weren't creating opportunities or the awareness that goes along with that from a manufacturing perspective. So we got together to solve problems, and solving problems together rather than separately really made sense to us. Getting in front of students was kind of a high priority for us because they are our future. In October, kind of kick-started the Manufacturing Business Alliance with offering tours to local students, and that's grown from about 50 students to over 500. So we're touching lives here. We're telling our story, and networking together from a manufacturing perspective has been really, really impactful for us.
I started out at 16 years old through the Beaver Dam High School Youth Apprenticeship program. I'd go to school for half a day in the morning, come and work at Apache in the afternoon, and I learned all the machines and equipment here and learned welding from some of the best in the business.
I mean, there's a lot of value in taking the young kids that start in your company and letting them grow from within. The understanding they get of how your company operates, the value they can add from all the experiences they had when maybe they were a fabricator or welder.
So manufacturing is unique in that we offer opportunities in a lot of different areas. So for an individual that wants to work right out of high school, we've got opportunities in shipping and receiving, material handling. An individual that wants to partner with Moraine Park Technical College, we offer boot camps. There's opportunities to learn a welding skill to get a diploma through Moraine Park. Going on to the University of Wisconsin Platteville to be a mechanical engineer would be another opportunity.
Ultimately, they offered me a job when I turned 18 and graduated high school, and I was afforded opportunities after that to get into some supervisory roles, estimating, and ultimately sales, which is what I do now.
As we grow, there's more career opportunities, more opportunities to grow within the company too.
So some of the skills here that you utilize here at Apache Stainless are our fabrication skills, welding, plasma cutting, heavy equipment operation, forklift driving, metal finishing. On the Mepaco side, get into a lot of pneumatic controls, assembling pneumatics, hydraulics. We'll get into electrical.
Here you get to actually use a variety, you get to assemble things, you get to be creative. Stainless steel is not easy to work with, so you've got to challenge yourself to say, okay, how's this going to work out, and how do we put these things together? It's not a boring job, to say the least.
Any kids that are in high school and they're not sure about going to four-year college and they have interest in working with their hands or learning a trade, I really encourage you to take a look at the youth apprenticeship programs. You can look at it as a stepping stone to get into a place, see what you like, see what you don't, learn a lot. You learn a lot of mechanical aptitude, which for me has been critically important to the success in my role as I've moved up the ladder here at Apache.
You're constantly showing that drive and work ethic. People notice that, and they talk about you and how you can help their company in the future.
If you're looking for an opportunity to work for a 100% employee-owned company with great pay and great benefits, come check out Apache Stainless.